Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, sir. Excuse me. I'm Iqbal, and with my friends, we walk to presentation about the air equipment, the namely is Picaro. Okay, before we start the presentation, I want to introduce about our group. The group is six. Okay, the first member, there is Danubanis Dion Marketing Suroso with the NPT 41220066, and then the second one, there is Imade Prabhawasandi Gotama. The NPT is 41220003, and then the third one, that is me, Iqbal Farhan Syahridwan. The NPT is 41220074, and the last one, there is Muhzakir Najwan, and the NPT is 41220035. Okay, next. The introduction. Okay, the Picaro G2401 is the greenhouse gas concentration analyzer that can measure CO2 and then CH4 and CO simultaneously. The instrument has sensitivity down to parts per billion or ppb level and minimal drift over months of operation. Next. Next. About the basic operation, the analyzer automatically turns on when the main power is turned on. The graphical user interface or GUI display appears. Icons on the desktop include, and the first one is the controller. The control instrument diagnostic and service information. And then the second one is a Picaro mode switcher. The restart the analyzer in different mode. And the third one, there is a start instrumentation. That is restart the software if it was shut down before. And the fourth one is the coordinator launcher. That is a control sample entry. Okay, next. Okay, this slide we will presentation with my friend. He is Prabhawasandi Gotama.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Iqbal. Now we continue basic operation. This is Picaro rear view. There are keyboard, mouse, monitor, COM1, Ethernet, power and on-off switch, valve, dio, COM2, Ethernet vacuum, gas inlet, and gas purge. Next is there are picture about CEDR data viewer. Data aggregation. 1. Discrete sample or sampling at multiple location require coordinate software. 2. The coordinate control the sample source and match the data with the corresponding source. Basic operation. This is a general schematic of hardware, software, and data file creation of Picaro analyzer system. Shutdown procedure. There are 3 shutdown options via the shutdown button. First, stop analyzer software only. Stop the gas flow and software, but keep the main computer on. 2. Turn on analyzer in current state. Stop gas flow software, shut down window, and shut down the instrument. 3. Turn off analyzer and prepare the spinning. Increase the capacity pressure to atmosphere level. Close the valve, stop the software, and shut down the instrument. Select the appropriate shutdown mode based on the duration of use of the instrument. Dry gas purge is recommended before any shutdown for conventional procession. Next is will be discussed by Zakir.
Okay, thank you, Sandy. Next, I want to explain GUI. This slide is explanation GUI. Next. Now, GUI explanation. First, setting tools and help menus. This menu provides access to various functions, including changing the GUI mode, viewing instrument status, and configuring data output. Second, alarm panel. This panel display the alarm status of the instrument, such as gas concentration alarms. Third, digital readout. This panel display the let's recorder value for the selected data stream. And fourth, data log file name and path. This panel display the file name and path of the currently active data log file. And fifth, data window. This window display a graph of the selected data stream versus time. And next, status log window. This window display a graph of the selected data stream versus time. And after that, status log window. This window display instrument status message. And next, data buffer level meter. This meter shows how much of the GUI's internal memory is being used to store data. Next, Sandy. Accessing remote data. Send remote data via email. The analyzer can be set to automatically send data to multiple email address. The data files are stored in a specific directory. The remote access X program is run periodically to send the attached data file in an email. Next, time synchronization with internet server. The analyzer can measure the time difference between the host computer clock and the internet server. The remote access XC program use the SNTP protocol to communicate with the time server. And configuration is through the remote access ini file. This file contains a setting for email and time synchronization. Setting include dial-up connection login information if used, and to destination email account, and to internet server for time synchronization. Next slide. Calibration. Calibration principle. First, Picaro analyzer are highly linear, requiring only 3 calibration standard per gas. The standard values are not very important as long as they represent the actual operating range of the analyzer. And third, calibration is performed by comparing the analyzer reading with known standard value. And calibration procedure. Load the calibration standard into the analyzer and to record the standard concentration value and the analyzer reading. Repeat step 1 and 2 for all calibration standard. Plot the data, analyzer reading versus standard value to determine a linear relationship. And next, calculate the slope and intersection of the best fit line to obtain the calibration offset. And finally, enter the offset value into the analyzer software using a password protect function. Next. Maintenance. Analyzer design durable and require minimal maintenance. Most are not user serviceable. particulate filter, the only user replaceable component. Its function is to filter out the fine dust particle before they enter the measuring chamber. The first filter near the inlet is user replaceable. Replaceable. The filter if the analyzer shows low pressure or abnormal flow. Do not replace the filter when it is wet with liquid water. Let it dry first.
Okay, the next one is troubleshooting. For the first one is power problem. When you have a power problem with Picaro, you can check the power cord and power outlet connection. Make sure the read power is on. Hold the power button for 5 seconds to analyze booting time. Okay, the second one is user interface will not start. You can restart the computer. Do not just restart Windows. Next, second one is to analyzer may not instalize properly when it start up. On the pressure problem, at low pressure, you can check the Intel pipe and pressure. For the high pressure, you can check the leak in vacuum lines or high inlet pressure. For the last one is unresponsive user interface. You can restart the computer and analyze completely sudah, not just restart computer. Okay, next one. Advantage. Next. Okay, advantage the Picaro gas connection concentration analyzer deliver excellent. It provides high quality data for making decision about air quality, greenhouse gas emission, gas okay, greenhouse gas emission and other environmental issues. In addition, it helps safeguard public health and environment by identifying and addressing pollution sources. With efficient and accurate measurement, it also saves time and money. Okay, next. First place is GAW or Global Atmospheric Watch on station of BMKG Bukit Kota Tabang is one of the point chosen internationally from several air quality monitoring point around the world. One of air quality parameter monitoring is greenhouse gas or GHG, which consists of CO2, CO, CH4, and H2O. Picaro is a greenhouse gas concentration monitoring recommended by GAW to the standard monitoring tool at GAW station around the world. Source from eramitra.com. Okay, next one. Okay, the second place is the Lornidu Barili Global Atmospheric Observing Station or GAW. Papalu officially began operation in 2017 as one of the technically implementation unit or UPT of BMKG. GAW Palu Station consists of an administrative office in Palu City, guest house facilities, and GAW park or shelter in Barili Village, Poso Regency. The GAW park or shelter is located about 113 kilometer south of Palu City, which is included in the Poso Regency area. Source from GAW-Palu.id. Next. So this is the place is Picaro that observe in the world. You can see there are Bukit Kota Tabang, Palu, and Sorong. Next.
Okay, the last part, and then the conclusion. The Picaro G2401 gas concentration analyzer is an effective and useful tool that has the potential to deepen our knowledge of the environment and contribute to the improvement of global conditions. With this ability to accurately measure gas concentration, it is an important tool in understanding environmental dynamics and encouraging proactive measures to sustain the environment. Okay, maybe that's all we can present about this material, Picaro. we would like to apologize if there is a wrong word or wrong title. And then the last word, we want to thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night.